everyone, welcome to my tutorial. Start by facing the pole. Step 1. Grip pole at 95-degree angle. Step 2. Place same side foot on pole with heel facing inward and toes out. Step 3. Take your free arm and grip pole above your other arm with Step 4. Put pressure on placed foot and pull with arms to left leg. Step 5. Swing free leg into a straddle. Step 6. Grip your top arm higher. Step 7. Lower bottom grip by ankle. Step 7. Put pressure on top foot to invert body. Nailed it! Now walk off like a model. You go, check out my directory where you will find professionals, organizations, events, and businesses manifested by active and retired dancers.